Hello, grade 4s. Today we are going to continue learning about subtraction with regrouping. Now I want you to make sure you have a piece of paper and a pencil handy, or a whiteboard if you have one. Now I want you to be listening for Miss Hollinger to say, pause the screen, and I want you to press that pause button and do all the questions on the screen for extra practice. Okay? Let's get started. Okay, boys and girls. Last lesson, we looked at questions that had the ones place value and the tens place value. But today, we're going to be looking at questions that have the hundreds place value and even the thousands place value. Okay, now whenever we do a subtraction question or even an addition question, we need to look at the ones place value, okay? So if I have 5 cookies, can I give away 6? No! This means I need to regroup 745. Okay, so let's use the hundreds, tens, and ones chart to show how we regroup 745. So I'm going to write 7 hundreds, 4 tens, and 5 ones. Okay, now I'm going to draw the base 10 model for 745. Okay, so as you can see, I have 7 hundreds, I have 4 tens rods, and I have 5 tens blocks. Now, because I can't take 6 away from 5, I need to regroup. Okay, so I need to regroup 1 10 as 10 ones. Okay, so what is 4 minus 1? Good, 3. And what is 5 ones plus 10 ones? Good, 15. Okay, and the hundreds stays the same. We didn't have to regroup the hundreds this time. So now I want you to draw base 10 blocks for the hundreds, tens, and ones. Okay, so I have 7 hundreds blocks. I have 3 tens blocks, and I have 15 ones blocks, okay? So what is 15 minus 6? 15 minus 6. Well, we can circle 6 dots, or 6 ones blocks, sorry, and cross them off. So how many ones blocks do we have left now? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 ones blocks. Okay, now for the tens, we have 3 tens minus 2 tens. So we need to cross off 2 tens. How many tens do we have left over now? Good, 1. And we still have 7 hundreds minus 6 hundreds. Okay, so let's cross off 6. Oops. 6, there we go. So how many do we have left? Good, we have 100 left. Okay, so let's draw the base 10 model for this. For 119. Okay, so here is the base 10 model for 119. So we have 100, 110, and 9 ones. Now, boys and girls, you don't have to use the hundreds, tens, and ones chart. Just like yesterday, you can also use the standard algorithm. Okay, so let's try that way and see which one you like better. Okay. So again, you always look at the ones place value. So if I have 5 cookies, can I give 6 away? No. So I need to regroup the tens. So I'm going to take 1 10 and I'm going to regroup it as 10 ones. So what is 4 minus 1? Good, 3. Now, because I'm regrouping that 10 as 10 ones, I need to add 10 ones to the 5. So what does the 5 turn into? Good, 15. And remember to cross out those numbers if you are regrouping, okay? So now we have 15 minus 6. What does 15 minus 6 equal? Good, 9. What does 3 tens minus 2 tens equal? 1 10. And what does 7 hundreds minus 6 hundreds equal? Very good, 100. So the answer is 119, just like we got you down here using the chart. Okay, grade 4s, I want you to do A, B, and C, either using the standard algorithm or the chart that we did earlier in this slide, okay? So I want you to pause that screen and I want you to subtract and find the answer for A, B, and C. Okay, boys and girls, let's do A together. So we have 718 minus 35. Now remember, always look at the ones place value first. So if I have 8 cookies, can I give 5 away? Yeah, I can, okay? So that doesn't need to be regrouped. Let's move over to the tens. If I have 1 cookie, can I give 3 away? No. So I need to regroup. So I am going to regroup 100 as 10 tens. So I need to take 100 away. So 7 minus 1 is 6. Okay. Now remember, 100 equals 10 tens. Okay, so I'm going to add 10 tens to this already existing 10. So 10 plus 1 equals 11. Now, it's just an easy peasy lemon squeezy question. Okay, so let's do the ones first. The ones first. I'm going to change my color. So 8 ones minus 5 ones equals, good, 3. 11 tens minus 3 tens equals, good, 8. And 6 hundreds minus 0, essentially, hundreds equals 6. Good. So the answer you should have gotten is 683. Okay, now let's do B together. So we have 823 minus 516. So again, look at the ones place value. If I have 3 cookies, can I give 6 away? No. So I need to regroup. I need to regroup 110 as 10 ones. So 2 minus 1 equals 1. And 10 ones plus 3 ones equals 13. Good. Okay, so now, again, this is an easy peasy lemon squeezy question. What is 13 minus 6? 13 minus 6. Yeah, 7. I'm going to change my little doodad color. 7, okay? What is 1 minus 1? 0. And what is 8 minus 5? 3. Good. Okay, let's do letter C. Okay, so we have 3,514 minus 2,423. Okay, so this is no longer working with the hundreds. We are now doing thousands, but that's okay. We do the same process. So the first thing we do is we look at the ones place value. So if I have 4 cookies, can I give 3 away? Yes. Okay, let's move on to the tens. If If I have 1 cookie, can I give 2 away? No. So I need to regroup 100 as 10 tens. Okay, so 5 minus 1 equals 4. And if I'm adding 10 tens to the 1, 10 plus 1 equals 11. Good. Now, this is an easy peasy lemon squeezy question, okay? So let's start with the ones place value. What is 4 minus 3? 1. What is 11 minus 2? 9. What is 4 minus 4? 0. And what is 3 minus 2? 1. Good work, grade 4. Okay, now I want you to subtract A and B. Okay, so I want you to pause the screen and I want you to find the answers for A and B. Let's do A together, okay? So we have 640 minus 312. Okay, so again, we start in the ones place value. If I have 0 cookies, can I give 2 away? No. So I need to regroup 110 as 10 ones. So 4 minus 1 equals 3. And 10 plus 0 equals 10. Good. So this is an easy peasy question. Start in the ones place value. 10 minus 2 equals 8. Good. 3 minus 1 equals 2. And 6 minus 3 equals 3. So the answer is 328. Okay? Don't forget to cross out these numbers. Okay? It's a huge step. Now let's do B together. Okay? So look in the ones value, place value. If I have 7 cookies, can I give 2 away? Yes. If I have, now let's look at the tens. If I have 5 cookies, can I give 4 away? Yes. Okay, now let's look at the hundreds place value. If I have 0 cookies, can I give 2 away? No. So now I need to regroup 1,000 as 10 hundreds. Okay, so 3 thousands minus 1,000 equals 2. Good. And 10 hundreds plus 0 hundreds equals 10. Okay, now again, this is an easy peasy lemon squeezy question. Start with the ones place value. 7 minus 2 equals 5. 5 minus 4 equals 1. 10 minus 2 equals 8. And 2 minus 1 equals 1. Very good, grade 4s. Okay, so how is this problem different from the ones we've done before? Well, let's find out. So we're subtracting 842 minus 567. So again, start in the ones. If I have 2 cookies, can I give 7 away? No. So I need to regroup. But if I have 4 cookies, can I give 6 away? No. Huh. I think the difference is we need to regroup 2 numbers right beside each other. Interesting. Okay.